Hello guys, you often get confused about your IELTS speaking. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get one band more than what your present level is with a little effort. I would not say without any effort, okay? With a little effort, and I would say this effort is going to be conscious effort, right? And I guarantee there is no guarantee, by the way, but I guarantee if you follow these tips, you will see one band increment in your IELTS speaking, right? My name is Asad Yaqub and I am an international IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. Okay, guys, in IELTS speaking, there are four marking criterias. In other words, you are given score on four things. And among these four things, we have grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. If you work a little, only a little, on your pronunciation, you can increase your band score by 1. Now, let me tell you what is pronunciation, what do examiners expect from you, and how, with a little effort or with a little conscious effort, you can improve your bench score. As far as pronunciation is concerned, IELTS speaking examiners, they see whether you are pronouncing English sounds correctly or not. So most importantly, we have the sounds of P, T, K, then we have TH sound, Q sound, C as K sound. So these are the basic 5 to 6 sounds of English. If you pronounce these letters clearly, this can impact your band score in pronunciation, the first thing. After this, the second thing is we call it stress. In English language, certain words are stressed. Like commonly people say democracy. But actually, English speakers, they don't pronounce it as democracy. They say democracy, democracy, photography, photography. A common English speaker, non-native speaker will say photography is my hobby. Alright, so the word is not photography, the word is photography, democracy, and all that. We call it stress pattern. So you need to just see where to stress, which syllable will be stressed. In English language, last syllables are not stressed, right? Usually it's the middle syllable which is stressed. So you need to learn these stress patterns. Now, finally, I would like to tell you how to improve your English pronunciation. Let me tell you, you don't have to learn any rules of English pronunciation that you just learn 20 rules of English pronunciation. No. Whenever you do IELTS listening module, just focus how English people actually speak English. In IELTS listening part 1, we have dialogues. Two people are exchanging some information. And the vocabulary that we have in speaking part 1, that is very basic vocabulary. Like normally people know such type of words. So all you need to do, you need to focus. You need to see how they are pronouncing the words, where the stress patterns are, okay, how they say the words with C, T, P, K, how clearly they speak, their intonation, which is another important point. Intonation is the use of voice according to the message. For example, if I say, today I'm very happy. Today I'm very happy. Today I'm very sad. See that? I cannot say today I am very sad. I cannot say today I'm very happy. See, this is what we call intonation. So remember, whatever you observe, your brain absorbs. And whatever your brain absorbs, it makes you react. Have you ever noticed one thing? Whenever you listen to a song, any song once, you listen to the same song twice, then you listen to the same song third time, repeatedly you listen to the song while driving, while working, while jogging or anything, and then the song is not even played, and you are showering, bathing, shaving, or anything like that, and you're doing see that? So this is what you observe, your brain absorbs, and then it makes you react. So this is natural. In the same way, if you observe English, not only IELTS English, whenever you listen to English, you may listen to songs in English, you may watch seasons in English, movies in English, observe deeply so that your brain could absorb, and then you would be able to speak perfectly. Let me tell you, with a little effort, you can see remarkable improvement in your IELTS speaking, and that little effort is required in pronunciation. Grammar may take more to improve. Vocabulary needs a lot of effort to improve, okay? Fluency needs practice, but pronunciation needs a little conscious effort, and you can improve your band score by 1 or more, right? So once you improve your band score and you get your desired band, especially in speaking, if you see any band change, any increment in speaking band, do let me know about that, right? All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we have a wonderful guest book for IELTS speaking preparation. This book is available in PDF all over the world and printed form in Pakistan only. If you want to get the book, you can contact us and I'll give you all the detail. This book is available at a little administrative cost, and once you get the book, you can practice, and we have the topics which are highly likely to appear in actual exam. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.